Welcome to Towns in Motion. Today, we'll be exploring Meadville, Mississippi. Welcome to Meadville, Mississippi, a charming town located in Franklin County, named after Cowles Mead, a 19th century political leader. With a population of just under 600, Meadville might be small, but it is full of history and community spirit. Today, we'll explore the town's rich heritage, local landmarks, and what life is like in this rural gem of the South. Meadville was founded in the early 1800s. In those early days, the town developed as a trading hub for the surrounding agricultural community. Cotton farming was key to the area's economy, and the town grew alongside the agricultural boom. The Homachita River, which runs through Franklin County, provided an important route for trade and transportation, shaping the town's early growth. In years, Meadville has garnered national attention for its unique contribution to the world of chess. The town was featured in a 60-minute segment in 2017, spotlighting Jeff Bullington, a local chess coach who helped build a thriving chess community. This unexpected focus on the game has brought new recognition to the town, showing that even in small communities like Meadville can leave their mark on the world stage. Meadville is a small rural town with a quaint charm. Its streets are lined with homes, local businesses, and spaces that reflect its agricultural roots. Despite its size, the town offers everything its residents need, from essential services to local shops. The tight-knit nature of Meadville means that people here often know each other, creating a sense of community that you won't find in larger cities. Meadville is a part of Franklin County, a largely rural area where farming remains an important part of life. In the early days, cotton was the primary crop, and although the economy has diversified, agriculture still plays a significant role. With rolling fields and lush landscapes, Franklin County is a beautiful place that maintains its rural character, offering a peaceful, slower pace of life that many residents cherish. Today, Meadville has a population of just under 600 people. The town's economy is largely based on agriculture, but its residents enjoy a relatively affordable cost of living. The median household income is $56,000, and the median home value is around $85,000, making it a great place for homeowners. Despite a slight decline in population in recent years, Meadville continues to maintain a stable, small-town economy with a high home ownership rate of 79%. small towns, most of Meadville's residents drive to work, with an average commute of 31 minutes. Car ownership here is in line with the national average, with most households owning about 2 cars. The rural nature of the area means that driving is essential for getting around, whether it's for work, errands, or social activities. Meadville is served by the Franklin County School District. The town is known for its strong sense of community, with many families calling Meadville home for generations. The local schools are at the heart of this close-knit town, providing education and fostering connections between families. While Meadville may be small, it is rich in local landmarks and natural beauty. From the nearby Homochitto River to the peaceful countryside, there's plenty to appreciate. The town's historical roots, chess community, and rural lifestyle all come together to make Meadville a unique place. It may not be a bustling metropolis, but it's a town where the community truly matters, and its residents have a strong connection to the land and each other. Joining us today as we explored Meadville, Mississippi. Make sure to check in for future adventures on Towns in Motion.